These affirmations are designed specifically to help you program your mind to overcome procrastination and get things done. The more you listen and repeat these affirmations, the more suggestions you'll be sending to your subconscious mind to get rid of procrastination and start taking action. I'll say each affirmation once and then I'll give you the time to repeat it after me. It's recommended that you use headphones for best experience. I stop putting things off from now on. I am done with delaying things any further. I choose to take action now. I feel great when I do things on time. I do what needs to be done whether I feel like it or not. The things that I'm procrastinating on are practically much easier than I expect. I choose to let go of overthinking and just do it. I feel so relaxed and accomplished when I'm done with a task that I was putting off before. It gives a good boost to my self-esteem. The key to unleashing my confidence is to do the things on time and beat procrastination. There are so many great things in life just waiting for me to take action, so I commit to stepping up and taking action from now on. I choose to engage in some momentary hassle now for a better future, rather than avoiding the hassle and missing out on the joys of life. As I let go of procrastination now and begin to take consistent action, all that I ever wanted in life gradually begins to turn into reality. I take charge of myself. I take charge of my life. I choose to step up. Procrastination is nothing more than a petty mind game and overthinking. I beat it easily whenever I want to. We must all suffer from one of two pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is, discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. I choose discipline over regret. Accomplishing tasks gives me a lot of pleasure and satisfaction than being lazy. I choose to be an active individual, and I love being active and productive. Listen and repeat these affirmations every morning or before bed at night for 3 weeks. Make sure to check out my growing playlist of affirmations where you'll find helpful affirmations for different aspects of life. If you found this video beneficial, please drop a like, share the video with your loved ones, and consider subscribing. It helps a lot in bringing you more self-help content. Make sure to take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.